If you're ready to take your embroidery projects to the next level and want a machine that's easy to use and packed with features, then this video is for you. These incredible tools make creating stunning designs a breeze, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. But with so many embroidery machines on the market, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why in this video, I'll be going over the 7 best embroidery machines. Whether you're a beginner starting a home business or a professional looking for the perfect embroidery machine, I'll have something for everyone. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 7 is the Brother SE700 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. This is the most budget-friendly embroidery machine on our list. This sewing and embroidery machine is packed with features. Whether you're stitching up clothes, adding cute embroidery to projects, or just experimenting, this machine has your back. This machine has a wireless LAN connection, which means you can send designs to it without messing around with USB drives. It's perfect if you're into techie stuff or want to save time. With this machine, you can personalize your embroidery projects. You can even draw your own designs on your phone or tablet and send them straight to the machine wirelessly. Or if drawing isn't your thing, just pick from a bunch of cool patterns in the collection and transfer them in a snap. This machine comes with 135 built-in embroidery patterns and 103 sewing stitches. So you've got loads of options to customize and get creative. This sewing and embroidery combo machine has many handy features, like an automatic needle threader that takes care of threading the needle for you. No squinting or struggling needed. Plus, the drop-in top bobbin is jam resistant, so you won't have to worry about it getting stuck while you're working. The 4x4-inch hoop area is a great size for embroidery beginners or small projects, and switching between sewing and embroidery is easy. The 3.7-inch touchscreen display makes navigating through designs and settings a breeze. There are no tiny buttons or confusing menus to slow you down or frustrate you. You also get 8 different presser feet, which help you handle everything from zippers to quilting. Plus, it's a computerized machine, meaning it takes care of a lot of the hard work for you, so you can focus on the fun parts. Overall, the Brother SE700 is an excellent balance of value, performance, and creativity for most sewing and embroidery enthusiasts. Number 6 is the Jome 00-1M-B7 Multi-Needle Embroidery Machine. This machine is best for home business on our list. It has a 7 needles design, which means you can set up multiple thread colors at once and switch between them. No more stopping to rethread every time you want a new color. That makes it a huge time saver. The embroidery field is 9.4 by 7.9 inches, giving you lots of space for bigger designs, and the machine can handle up to 800 stitches per minute. It has 50 built-in embroidery designs and 10 fonts for monogramming. And if you've got your own designs, just plug in a USB and import them. It's that simple. This machine makes embroidery easy and flexible by supporting all the popular professional formats like .jef+, .jef, and .dst. That means you can use a ton of different designs without any hassle. It also features an auto-return function, which brings the needle back to the exact spot where it left off if the thread breaks. No need to stress about fixing mistakes. It also has programmable jump thread trimming, so it cleans up those extra threads for you, keeping your designs neat and professional. The remote computer screen lets you easily manage your designs, adjust settings, and keep everything organized. This machine also features the bobbin winding while you work, which means you don't have to pause your project to get a new bobbin ready. It's also durable and built to last, making it great for long-term use. This machine comes with a storage compartment to keep your tools and accessories organized, plus an embroidery table that gives you plenty of space to work on larger designs, and bright LED lights that make it easy to see every detail, even if you're working late at night. However, it doesn't have sewing capabilities, so you'll need to use an alternative method for stitching or repairing materials. Overall, the Jome 00-1M-B7 Multi-Needle Embroidery Machine is a reliable and professional-grade tool that delivers impressive results. Number 5 is the Brother PE535 Embroidery Machine. This machine is best for beginners on our list. It comes with 80 built-in embroidery designs, from flowers to seasonal patterns. You'll find something to fit every vibe. Plus, there are 9 font styles, both script and block, so you can personalize names, quotes, or monograms. The embroidery area is 4 by 4 inches, giving you plenty of space to work on most projects while keeping the machine compact and beginner-friendly. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts who want to bring their ideas to life one stitch at a time. It has a large 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen that is easy to use. You can preview your designs, adjust them, and even make edits right on the screen. It's very user-friendly, so you don't need to have any tech stress. And if you have your own designs in mind, the USB port lets you import custom designs straight into the machine. Just connect it to your computer and you're ready to go. Overall, the Brother PE535 is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a dedicated embroidery machine that's affordable and easy to master. And if you want to know the latest prices for the embroidery machines discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 4 is the Smart Stitch S-15-01 commercial embroidery machine. This embroidery machine is best for professional use on our list. Whether you're running a business or just love creating amazing designs, this machine is built to handle it all. This machine has 15 needles, so you can load up multiple thread colors at once. No constant rethreading. That means more time for creating and less time for fiddling. Plus, the massive 14 by 20-inch embroidery area gives you room to work on bigger designs like jackets, banners, or anything you dream up. With a blazing fast speed of 1,200 stitches per minute, it's perfect for tackling big projects without sacrificing quality. The 12-inch touchscreen makes everything simple to navigate. You can select, edit, and preview designs right on the screen, so no guesswork involved. Plus, this machine also features Wi-Fi connectivity. You can send designs wirelessly, making your workflow smoother than ever. And it's also capable of embroidering on 3D caps, flat items, t-shirts, and so much more. Basically, if you can imagine it, this machine can probably embroider it. Whether you're customizing apparel, personalizing gifts, or producing professional quality designs, this is a beast of a machine. Number 3 is the Pulin EOC06 embroidery machine. This is the best mid-range embroidery machine on our list. This machine gives you 7.9 by 11-inch embroidery area, which is roomy enough so you can tackle larger designs without worrying about running out of space. The 7-inch touchscreen is easy to use, letting you preview and edit your designs right on the screen. You can even combine multiple patterns or add text to your creations with its letter embroidery and combination features. The machine comes fully loaded with all the essentials, so you can start right away. It includes thread, stabilizer, bobbins, and hoops, saving you the hassle of buying extra supplies up front. This machine is computerized, which means it takes care of a lot of the hard work for you. Just load your design, follow the easy instructions, and watch it stitch everything perfectly. Whether you're making personalized t-shirts, decorating a tote bag, or adding flair to your clothes, this machine is up for the challenge. Overall, the Pulin EOC06 embroidery machine is a solid pick if you're into embroidery or just starting out. Number 2 is the Brother SE600 sewing and embroidery machine. This machine is best for value on our list. It's both a sewing machine and an embroidery machine. This machine comes with 80 built-in embroidery designs and a 4 by 4-inch hoop area, perfect for small projects like monograms, patches, or decorative accents. It also has a USB port, so you can upload your own custom designs if you want something unique. On the sewing side, this machine is loaded with 103 built-in stitches, including decorative ones for adding extra flair to your projects. It even has an automatic needle threader, which is a total lifesaver. No more struggling to thread that tiny needle. It comes with an automatic needle threader, which is very handy. It helps push the thread through the needle perfectly so you don't have to struggle with it. Plus, the machine has a jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin, making sure your thread won't get tangled while you're working. It has a maximum sewing speed of 710 stitches per minute, so you can get your work done faster without sacrificing quality. The easy-to-follow controls make it simple to navigate through the settings, even if you're new to sewing. Plus, it's priced affordably, so you won't have to break the bank to get a machine that does it all. And if you want more control, the variable speed settings let you adjust how fast or slow you sew, giving you the freedom to work at your own pace. The 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen display makes it easy to choose and edit your designs or stitches. It also includes 7 different feet which let you tackle different sewing techniques like zippers, buttonholes, and more. Overall, the Brother SE600 is an excellent all-in-one machine for beginners and hobbyists looking to explore both sewing and embroidery. Number 1 is the Brother SE-2000 embroidery machine. This is the best overall embroidery machine on our list. It comes with 138 built-in embroidery designs, so you can start personalizing your projects right out of the box. The 5x7-inch embroidery area gives you plenty of space to work on larger designs, like custom shirts, jackets, or home decor. You can also upload your own custom designs through the USB port. When it comes to sewing, this machine has 240 built-in stitches, including decorative stitches and 10 styles of buttonholes. You can easily adjust the stitch settings using the large LCD touchscreen, which makes it simple to choose and edit designs. Plus, the machine's automatic needle threader saves you time and frustration by threading the needle for you. This machine also offers advanced features like variable speed control, so you can adjust how fast or slow you sew depending on the project. The jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin helps prevent tangling, keeping your sewing smooth and hassle-free. Overall, the SE2000 is a great choice for hobbyists and those who want a reliable, feature-packed machine for both sewing and embroidery. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect embroidery machine much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button, and be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.